Now I'm happy to take a few questions from the media, something that Ken Paxton never does.
The Ken Paxton whistleblowers held a press conference Monday afternoon announcing they've filed a new motion in the Texas Supreme Court.
This is something we feel very, very strongly about.
Ken Paxton will have to testify under oath or plead the fifth in open court.
The former Paxton staffers say the AG reneged on a $3.3 million settlement reached with them last year in a wrongful termination lawsuit. They were never paid that money, due in part to the legislature voting not to use taxpayer money for that payment.
For us, this case has always been about more than money. It's about truth.
The men were fired in 2020 after telling the FBI they believed Paxton was illegally using his office to help his friend, Austin real estate investor Nate Paul.
We saw personally that Ken Paxton would not obey the limits of the law. He would not stay within the guardrails, the boundaries of the law. And that's why we went to the FBI.
It was this lawsuit that spurred the House investigation of Paxton, which ultimately led to a vote to impeach him, with those whistleblowers testifying during the Senate trial earlier this month.
I told him that Nate Paul was a criminal.
Ken Paxton's attorneys were asked about the whistleblowers after the AG was acquitted.
Do y'all have any concern that this will have a chilling effect on future whistleblowers?
What I'm relieved about is it won't have a chilling effect on people that run for political office. This is a trial that should have never happened, period, full stop.
The political trial is over, and it's time for the case to return to a real court.
Ken Paxton's office saying in a statement late Monday, the Office of the Attorney General will respond to the so-called whistleblower plaintiffs' complaints in a written response to be filed with the Texas Supreme Court, consistent with that court's procedures, as opposed to staging a press event in the state capitol.